Hi babes, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. It's our first full day here in the Canary Islands, and you wonder which of the islands we are in. We are in Tenerife and we're staying at Bahia Principe Hotel, and it's absolutely gorgeous. The weather is nice, just enough to not be cold and just enough to not be hot. It's a bit cloudy today, but we're gonna make use of our day. First thing was on my agenda this morning. I woke up and I went to the gym at 8 o'clock. I got back and we went to breakfast. I'll show you a little bit of me in the gym, and then I'll show you a little bit of us at breakfast. Time. What is that? Boiled egg, fried egg. You want egg? Go ahead. You want me to take it for you?
Yeah, that's okay.
Babe, there's omelette here.
¿Eh? ¿Me puede poner un huevo? Sí.
Pan?
Yeah, give me that.
Yeah, give me that.
That's okay.
Eating lots of protein. Got my omelette, now I need a bread, and then it's perfect. Breakfast with my boo. Hi boo. Hey boo. Breakfast. I'm having toast, bread, omelette, bacon, sausage, and I have no idea what this is, but we shall find out. And then I'm having pineapple juice and hot chocolate. Baby's having a mixture of fandangos in his typical Frenchman. You have to have his chocolate bread. Chocolate bread, muffin. Babe love the sweet, so you know he's gonna go for that. breakfast room is huge. There's so much options to eat in the breakfast room. This place is so family friendly. There's so many family here. The pools, there are multiple pools of multiple sizes for everybody needs. Look at this view behind me. Let me show you guys. The property is huge. So we're walking along the beach right now because the hotel is not attached to a beachfront. I guess maybe that's why they have so many pools, but they have the beach walk, which is absolutely gorgeous along the hotel. So that's where we are right now, walking just to visit and see around, and it's absolutely gorgeous. Oh, there's a little port over there in front of us.
That's what the man
It's
said
nice.
yesterday, like the little marina.
And I get to understand that this island you can drive it out within 2 hours, so it's not that big. One end to the next, he says you can drive it out in 2 hours. So I think we can walk to all the way over this port. I think this is another hotel. This is not a part of the one that we are staying in. Ours is behind us. Here is huge, but yeah, it's nice here. This is another option I would highly recommend if you have families and looking for somewhere to visit. Speak Spanish here. We don't speak Spanish, but I mean English is the international language, so everywhere you go people speak English, so you wouldn't have problem coming here if you're visiting and speaking English, because you get around. Look at the sun peeking up over here. I want to come up, but it's so cloudy. I don't think the sun will come up today, but we're making use of our vacation. We're celebrating 10 years of wedding anniversary, and hence this trip without our babies. Yes, you heard that right. We're on this trip without our babies, just my baby and I, my big baby and I. No Tyler, no Sarah. Grandma is at home taking care of them, and we appreciate Grandma for coming to take care of them so we can go away on this week trip. Yeah, so we're out here having fun and making use of this vacation, Charlie. Like he says, it's filled with currents.
Is?
The guy says it's filled with currents. It's easy to take you away, the water. Now this water looks special. Look at the stones, how black it is. You see? Vacation without pina colada, right? Hey guys, we're at lunch. It's lunchtime. And we explored this morning after breakfast. We take a little nap. We had pina colada by the pool. I don't think I vlogged that. Maybe I did. I'm not sure. I'm just into the moment. I'm not sure what I vlogged and what I didn't. I'm gonna go to. We're at lunch. Picky lunch. Lunch is not my favorite so far, but breakfast was late. But again, there are many options at lunch. I'm gonna go back if I need a little dessert, so I'll show you guys the options that they have here for lunch. So here we go. This is lunch. You have potatoes, chickpeas, veggies here. chicken, the usual. That's pasta, different options of pasta, and more pasta, rice. Over here, what's over here? Over here is dessert. I'm at the dessert section, and it's beautiful. A wide variety of desserts. So it's like chocolate cake. Wow, that's pretty. Ice creams. You have soup is here. You can make your little soup. You have starters, appetizer section here. Over here you have, oh, you can make hot dog. So hot dog is here. You can make. You guys, I won. No, you won. Because I scored 4 own goal, I kicked their butt in that case. Babe, kick your butt.
Never been that close.
That was good. Tyler would be playing that, but he can't. He wouldn't be able to go over that side. That was so much fun. You want to play one more of this? You tiring? You want to play pool? Time to kick babe butt at pool. Some game. We went and had more alcohol by the pool and KO. I had more fatty food. I had fries and hot dog, and I'm full at 6 o'clock, and did not open at 6 o'clock until 9:30. So I'm going to go to dinner late because I am not hungry right now, though there is food place on the property that open all through the night. But I'm gonna go to the restaurant late. So yeah, I think I'm gonna sign out for today. today's vlog because tomorrow is going to be very adventurous, and the only activity left for us to do for the rest of tonight is to go to dinner. If there's anything, I will film because I always have the camera with me, but for now I'm gonna sign out and tell you guys thanks for watching our first day of vacation. Oh, we talked to the kids. We spoke to the kids, and the kids are doing fine. They don't even miss us. They're having so much fun at school and with grandma. The kids are doing amazing, and Mel haven't cried. Mel didn't cry, and Mel will not cry because the kids are doing amazing. Sarah is growing up so much. Of course, you guys know that Tyler is fine. So the kids are doing amazing. I was happy talking to them on camera just now. They were excited though. Well, yeah, I think I'm gonna catch a little nap to sleep off this alcohol before I go to dinner. What say you, babe? What you gonna do?
Well, I guess I'm gonna do the same.
Anyway, you guys, I am a bit tired, so I'm gonna sign out right now. Thank you guys for watching. Catch up and keep up if you're new to the fam bam, and I'll see you guys in our next vacation anniversary vlog. See you guys. Say bye, baby. Bye. We're out.
I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times, cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up.